Hey fam, what's good? What's good? I hope that you're all well and keeping safe. I hope that you all had an amazing week. I hope that you all gonna have an amazing weekend as well. So in today's content, I will be sharing my outlook on this beautiful pair called Nasdaq. As you guys know, with our actual analysis of last week, we wanted an overall move towards the downside, but we had a shift back towards the upside. As traders, we need to accept that market randomness will always occur, right? Like I always say, we are reactive traders and not predictive traders. Okay, my actions over the course of this week, as you can see over here, these were my withdrawals for this actual week. The broker that I'm using is IFX. I've received all my actual withdrawals within 24 hours. So if you are looking for a trusted broker, IFX would be your broker. The link would be in my description. Find yourself clicking on the link, opening that account, and find yourself trading. Okay, now being reactive is something that I teach to my actual partners. I personally don't like the word students, so I use the word partners. Okay, I haven't been quiet. I haven't been quiet. Okay, as you guys can see over here, we do have a few actual videos which I have recorded for my actual partners whatsoever. With our actual Sunday sessions and Wednesday sessions over there. So if you want to find yourself joining the team, cost will be 700 once off. Wednesdays is more of an educational session. Sundays is a more in-depth session. Basically just preparing us for the up and coming week. Most importantly, building independent traders. Okay, now without wasting no time, let's get into the breakdown. Now, cool. On Nasdaq weekly time frame, we can see that we are over and extended towards the upside. Over and extended towards the upside. Now, for me, as a trader, I don't want to find myself buying price when price is this expensive, right? I want to buy price when it is a little bit more cheaper. Now, as I may mentioned previously on Nasdaq, on overall, I am looking for some bearish movement, right? I do want some downside potential. I'm not comfortable with buying price over here. If price is just gonna continue pumping, right? We do know that the market moves in impulses and corrections, right? This could be an impulse. So, with that move towards the downside, we can catch ourselves a few pips, and if we can go towards the upside, we can find ourselves catching a few pips towards the upside as well. Okay, so since we are overextended towards the upside, me Diego, I am looking for some downside potential. Now, can you guys see these turning points we had, right? These turning points we had, these ones, I think round about last year we called out this actual trend line. We moved off this actual trend line as well, but now can you guys see this? First, second, third, we broke below, we haven't came back for the retest, right? So me Diego, on my lower time frame, my daily time frame, I am expecting some sort of rejection at this actual area. But if we're gonna find ourselves closing above this actual area, I'm gonna still sit out on this actual trade, right? I'm still gonna sit out on this trade. We can see that we are tapping currently inside an area of resistance as well, so I want some sort of rejection on my actual daily time frame. If I can find myself seeing some rejection, we can see that we are currently still bullish as well. So if we can have some sort of rejection on our daily time frame, this is where I will go on my 4-hourly time frame. If I can go on my 4-hourly time frame, this is where you can see structure wise we are still bull in structure, right? We're still bullish in structure. Now, cool, what will I wait for on my 4-hourly time frame? On my 4-hourly time frame, can you guys see what do we have over here, right? We had a nice push towards the upside, pull back, we're coming towards the upside, right? So if we can basically have some sort of rejection inside this area, this would be the region I will be targeting. Boom, this is the reason I will be basically targeting for having an actual break below, create some sort of an actual lower low, wait for some sort of an actual pullback, right? And look for selling opportunities. Okay, and wait for selling opportunities. I am still targeting this region over here, round about price region 12, 12,590, if I can do this, well, price 580, boom, just over there. I am targeting price region 12,580 as an actual target. So all me, Diego, is gonna wait for is for structure to change from this nice actual bull market to a bear market, and look for selling opportunities towards the downside in overall, God willing, a 12,580 would basically be my target. I will wait on, price to hit into. So you can also find yourself having some sort of an actual trend line out if you would like to. As you guys know, if you're gonna have an actual break out of an actual trend line, if I can remove this, and this as well. So you guys know that if you're gonna have a break below the actual trend line, break below, wait for some sort of an actual retest, and you take price towards the downside. That's literally it. We are bull on Nasdaq. Me personally, I am not comfortable with buying price at highs. Okay, I'm not comfortable with buying price at highs. I am more comfortable with buying price at low. Okay, one thing you need to take away: the market moves in impulses and corrections. So rather wait for the actual pullback, wait for some sort of a structure, because if my 4-hourly time frame is going to change the structure to bearish, this will influence my daily time frame to come towards the downside. And if my daily time frame is changing its structure to bearish, this will influence my weekly time frame to also come towards the downside. Okay, and that's literally my outlook on this beautiful pair called Nasdaq. Hey traders, keep safe. I hope that you're going to have an actual beautiful week of trading. Please do make sure that you use money management. Okay, now that's literally it from me, your boy D. I'm out.